你好, hello. My name is Zhang Laoshi, and I will be your Chinese teacher. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to use Canvas because everything will be on Canvas when school starts. So first, when you go log in on the CMS, the Canvas, and then you're going to choose one class, either Chinese 1A or Chinese 1B. Okay, I'm going to choose Chinese 1A as an example. Okay, so when you click on it, and then you will see on the left this section over here that is all the navigation tool. So you will always go to the module, and from the module you will see all of the assignments for each day. Either we have a live lesson or you are going to work on assignment by yourself. Okay, make sure you always check announcement because I will put announcement there for any important information. And when I say go to Flipgrid, and this is the Flipgrid, that's also everything here. So module assignment, discussion, Flipgrid, quizzes, and conference, these are the most high frequencies used during our time. And if I might attach something in files or pages, I'll let you know if you need to access there to get all information. Okay? So let's say, how do you use a Flipgrid? So you're going to click on it, and you will find assignment that I posted in the bottom of the page. Take a little while to sync. Okay. All right. So what do you do? Okay, this is your assignment and all in the bottom. No, it's not here.